the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I'm going to be making a super moist chocolate cake with a rich chocolate frosting. Both the cake and the frosting are super easy to make. Before I get started, if you're new here or haven't yet, please hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes, and I would love to have you here on the channel, and let's get started. For the cake, add 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And whisk everything together. Then add 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 eggs, and whisk everything together. Now you're going to slowly add 1 cup of hot water while whisking together. For the water, you can just microwave for about a minute. Then grease 2 9-inch pans with butter. I've learned by greasing the pans with butter, the cake comes out more moist than just using nonstick spray. Divide the batter evenly between your 2 prepared cake pans. I'm using half a cup to make sure I have the same amount of batter in each pan. That way, they rise evenly. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 minutes or until tester comes out clean. You're going to let the cakes cool for about 10 minutes. While the cakes are cooling, you can start on the frosting. I'm making a chocolate buttercream frosting. First, cream together 1.5 cups of room temperature butter in a stand mixer with a paddle attachment for about 3 minutes. Then use a sifter to sift half a cup of cocoa powder. Make sure to not skip this part. Sifting is very important. You don't want to get lumps of cocoa in your frosting. And then mix in the cocoa powder on low speed. Then you're going to sift 680 grams of powdered sugar. And then slowly add the powdered sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Add your first layer of frosting and spread with a spatula. Now use a spatula or the back of a spoon to create waves on the top of your cake. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Before you guys go, if you want to see some more recipes, there'll be one right here and one right below. And please make sure to click below so you guys get to subscribe, and thanks again for watching.